welcome to a new video. Today we're going to talk about how you can create a project in Jira Cloud. Let's assume that you already signed up to Jira and you're ready to the homepage of Jira software. The easiest way to create a project is to go to the project tab, click on it, and then you have the option to create a project. Here you can choose from three types: Kanban, Scrum, or bug tracking. Depends what your needs, and depends what the requirement for the project is. Usually I would say that most of the projects that I created so far were Kanbans, so people can track different issues and have a really nice visibility on all the ongoing projects or current issues that are opened and different engineers are assigned to them. So I'll go ahead and create a Kanban. Okay, now we have a list of features from the Kanban, and it's just presenting you how the Kanban is going to look, and it's going to use a board to limit the work in progress, or how you could track issue types, what type of workflow, just a simple to do in progress and done, and we're just going to use that template. Next step is to choose the type of project. You can choose between team managed, so this is just going to be managed by a small group of people inside your team, or it's a company managed one, but this can only be created and maintained by Jira administrators, so you will always rely on them. Like if you want to change anything or do a workflow, or like create another issue type, or even if you want to create a field or anything, you always need to go to them, and you always need to raise issues with them and get it sorted. So you can't make any changes if it's a company managed one, but if it's a team managed one, you can, as you see, it's easy to set up. All the settings, they are just team based, so if you make a change to a workflow, it's just affecting that project, because it's just not used by other projects. And the access level permission as well. Okay, so we're going to select the team management. Now you need to give a name to the project, so we're just going to name it Tech Now. This would actually generate a key. You can change that if you want, but yeah, I normally use it, normally leave it as default. Okay, you have an overview of what's going to happen here. So it's using the Kanban template. The type is team managed, and you just need to click create project. Okay, the project has been created. It was quite easy. Now you can see the board. You have the Kanban board here. If you have the Jira Pro license, if I'm not mistaken, you have access to the roadmap as well. But default, I don't think you have access to. If you have just the normal standard Jira Atlassian license, you won't be having access to the roadmap. You can go to project settings. You can make changes here. You can create shortcuts, different pages if you want to access those. If you want to assign different things to users. Yeah, anything can be done here. All right, I hope this video was helpful, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. All the best.